Nicolo Camarretta. I'm from Italy and I'm doing a PhD here in Tasmania. I've been here for more than 2 years now. I absolutely love it. It's a great place to be. The nature is just amazing, and the project that I'm doing, I'm really excited about it. We've been trying to get measurements of forest structure, which is normally considered to be a good indicator for biodiversity and habitat for animals. We borrowed techniques of remote sensing from forestry and we just applied them here in this restoration context. So we mainly been looking at tree height, which of course is the height of the tree, canopy height insertion, which is basically where the canopy starts from the bottom of the tree. With restoration ecology, it has basically been going on as a field of research for about 30 years now. It's pretty young. And everyone is always saying that we need to do more monitoring, we need to look at the effectiveness of what we've planted, but no one actually does it. We're actually using LiDAR, a 3D laser scanner, which is basically providing a 3D point cloud of whatever you're scanning. So we actually have this as a 3D model with different points. And that tends to be more precise than actual measurement in the ground.